All right, YouTube, we got ourselves our Dodge Charger, and she picked a beautiful pink color. This is actually a really bold pink color. It's not too light where it looks like, you know, Pepto-Bismol or light pink or Barbie pink where it's too bright and too bold. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink color. We've done it a couple times. Actually, I've had it on my personal vehicle a couple times. I love it. All right, so we've already washed it with some water and Dawn dish soap. Then we did a final wipe down with some water and denatured alcohol. That's the sound we're looking for. I gotta clean that. And then next up, I gotta mask this as well. I almost forgot that. So yeah, we're gonna spray a light gray base, then we're gonna spray red, then we're gonna spray the pearl over it. I noticed that whenever we do a red base versus like a pink base, when it comes to this color, it brings out more boldness. So we've done a couple different tests and variants. Works the best. This one wasn't too difficult. I mean, we did have to take apart a lot of stuff. She wants the calipers done, so we got the wheel wells out and a couple other things, but nothing too crazy. All right, we got a jam-packed day. You already know. Let's get to work. This is so beautiful, man. And y'all can't see it on camera. There's so much sparkle here. There we go. There we go. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. And it's the little things. So we matched this, and then we matched these. Her calipers we matched as well. I mean, oh man, this makes me so happy. Look at that sun, damn. She is 7 minutes away. I hope she likes it. I do.